Can you tell everybody a little bit about your companies?
Okay, so I run a creative technology company called Kazi Studios. We do a lot of technology and design implementation for government and non-government companies around South Asia. Well, all over the globe, but mostly we focus around South Asia, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Singapore. And I also have a different company called Alchi, which I'm the most passionate about. So we do different board games. So, well, creative outlet for different design products, well-designed products. So one of them is board games. So we come up with a number of board games that for different age ranges, and they can play and they can learn from these board games as well as interact with each other and have fun.
तपाईले हाम्रो क्लिप एकदमै एन्जोय गर्नुभयो होला अब पुरै भिडियो हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ युट्युबमा सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला